Hello everybody, today we'll see the difference between C, C++ and Java. First we'll see the introduction of three languages. C. C computer programming language was developed in early 1970s by American computer scientist Dennis M. Ritchie at Bell Laboratories. C++ was developed by Danish computer scientist Jarni Stroustrup at Bell Laboratories in 1979 as an extension of C language. Java was originally developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems and released in 1995 as core component of Sun Microsystems Java platform. Programming paradigm. C is a procedural language. In procedural language, the program code is written as sequence of instructions and executed in sequential order. C++ is usually considered as multi-paradigm language, means it is object-oriented, procedural and even functional programming. Java is purely object-oriented. Object-oriented programming is about creating objects that contain both data and methods. Next, predecessor. The immediate predecessor of C is B, created by Ken Thompson as a part of early development of the Unix operating system. B was in turn based on the language called BCPL, Basic Combined Programming Language, intended for writing compilers for other language. Predecessor of C++ is C. C++ is an extension of C language with classes. Predecessor of Java is C++. File extension. The program written in C is usually saved in .c extensions. In C++, it is saved in .cpp extension. In Java, it is saved in .java extension. Standard I/O operations. Standard I/O operations in C to read-write data from two standard devices are scanf and printf respectively. In C++, cin and cout are used for I/O operations. In Java, system.in and system.out are used for I/O operations. Pointers and references. Pointers are variables that point to memory address. References act as an alias for the variables and point to same memory locations as variables. C language only support pointer, not references. C++ supports both pointers and references. Java does not support pointers, but it supports references. Platform dependency. C is platform dependent, means that the code or application will run under one operating system. C++ is also platform dependent. Java is platform independent because the Java compiler converts the source code to bytecode, which is intermediate language. Bytecode can be executed on any platforms using JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Namespaces. Namespaces are used to avoid naming conflicts in classes. Class A in namespace A is different from class A in namespace B. C does not support namespaces. C++ support namespaces. In Java, Java packages are namespaces. Java package is a group of similar type of classes, interface and subpackage. Packages are used for preventing naming conflicts. GUI. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. This is a user interface that includes graphical elements such as windows, icons and buttons. There is no native GUI in C. GTK is a popular GUI toolkit that works in C for creating GUI interface. C++ uses Qt tools for making GUI applications. Swing and AWT or Graphical User Interface Toolkit used in Java. Memory management. C uses functions like malloc, calloc, realloc to allocate memory and free function to free the memory. C++ uses new operator to allocate memory and delete operator to deallocate the memory respectively. Java. In Java, memory management is a process of allocation and deallocation of objects. Java does memory management automatically using automatic memory management system called garbage collector. Inheritance. Inheritance is not supported in C. C++ supports single multi-level and multiple inheritance. Java supports single multi-level and hierarchical inheritance. Multiple and hybrid inheritance is supported through interface only. Polymorphism. Polymorphism is not supported in C. In C++, method overloading and operator overloading are allowed. In Java, only method overloading is allowed. It does not allow operator overloading. Multi-threading. Multi-threading is a specialized form of multitasking. It is a feature that allows your computer to run two or more programs concurrently. C does not contain any built-in support for multi-threading. Similarly, C++ also does not contain any built-in support for multi-threading. Java provides built-in support for multi-thread programming. This is a special feature in Java. Java thread is a lightweight process. Java multi-threading is usually used in games, animations, etc. Header files. C and C++ both supports header files. Header files are not supported in Java. Instead of include statements, Java uses import statements to import all the files containing classes, interface and subpackages so that your class can refer to a class that is in another package by directly using its name. Compilation. C source code files are always compiled into a binary code by a program called compiler, then executed. In C++, compiler converts source code to an object code the machine can read. Java is compiled by compiler which converts source code to bytecode. Then interpreter is used to convert it to machine language. Thank you. Please do subscribe my channel and also press bell button for notifications.